All right, we just got back from doing some errands, running around town, and stopped by the mailbox. And looky what I got. Looky what I got. These are bearings for the 44 IDFs, or any IDF really. These will work. Um, yeah, those are brand new. Look at these have the black seal instead of being the steel ones. Yeah. Okay. I'm very curious on to see what kind of measurements they have, the tolerances. I want to see if the tolerances are good or not. So I'm going to go ahead and check these out with the calipers and see if they're consistent or if they're just garbage. These are Amazon, $9.99, less than 10 bucks. 1 penny. Wait, but still less than 10 bucks. And I got free shipping on these because I ordered some other crap for the bug that's not here yet. Um, yeah, let's go ahead and check these out, and I'm gonna go see and take out the carburetor on my bug, and actually I'm gonna do the other carburetor, the brand new ones, the one that was popping that I'm not using because I have another set, and that one was because of the bearing was flopping up and down a lot because of the the inner diameter thing for the shaft was too loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that, and I'm probably gonna replace the other one also. But I'm definitely going to replace the bearings also on the carburetor that I am using right now. So I'm going to remove that and do that. But yeah, let's get to it and see what happens. Hopefully these things are good or these are garbage. I will make a note. If they are garbage, I'll let you know if they're garbage. So I went ahead and ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I ordered this from Amazon. These are the bearings for the carburetor. Yeah, remember they flop up and down, the IDFs? These are new, but they're kind of loose, and that's why you get those pops from there. Okay, it's the bearings, and I ordered them from Amazon. I'm going to put a link down there, so if you guys want them, they're only $9 for a whole bunch of them. 10 bearings. Ooh, so I have plenty of these to actually install in my carburetors. I might actually replace every single one of them because these don't leak. They've got a rubber seal instead of a metallic seal. See, let me take this one off. This one flops in here. I can feel it. It's kind of loose. Anyways, yeah, see, these would probably leak more than these because these use a rubber seal, so it shouldn't leak that much. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and measure this. It should be less than this. So I'm going to use my calipers on that one. See if I can. Okay, there we go. It is 7.165. Oh, 6.16. 7.16. I'm being dyslexic. Sorry. It's just that's just the way I am. See this one. Let's see if I can just center it. Oops. There we go. There we go. I was putting too much pressure again. 7.14. So it's two of them smaller. 0.02 smaller. So I'm gonna go see. Oh, I can tell right away. This one doesn't. It doesn't do this. It like this one. This one actually, I can feel it go flop, 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 flop. This one doesn't. Okay, so I'm going to push that in and see if I can get this to move up and down. Nope, she's pretty solid. Oh, there's a hair actually. I can barely feel it move, but it's almost nothing compared to this. So this was my problem. So if you guys are having problems getting these bearings, because they're really expensive, they sell them like $10 a piece at in Europe, and that's euros, so that would be maybe $13 plus shipping, all that shit. You're looking at over $20 to get them from Europe just for one bearing, and you can get these at Amazon for 10 bucks, $10.99, a whole bunch of them, 10 of them. So that should be enough to do all your carburetors if you have a dual setup. There you go. Okay, that's what I'm doing. This is the only problem that this carburetor had. The other carburetor is perfect. Now this carburetor is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the other side also, just because I've got them. You know what I mean? All right, just finished replacing that bearing right there. Like that thing was flopping in there.
Let me see if I don't remember which one it was. It's one of these two. Let's see how big. Let's see if I can center it just by doing that. Okay, 7.17. I don't know if that was the one. Oh wait, I didn't center it. Oh, there you go, 7.18. Okay, so this one had a bigger thing. This is the one I got out of here where the spring is, and this is from the other side. Let's see the new one. There you go, 7.14. Yeah. Now deviation, I already checked all of these. So and then there's no deviation. They're exactly the same tolerances. They're perfect from Amazon, $9.99. I'll put a link back. Like I said, put a link down there if you guys want to need them. I would recommend you actually replace them. If you get these, 110. I think last time I checked they went up in price, but I got them for like $100. These Weber IDFs 44s. I think they're like 120, 130, something like that. It's still a good deal, but you know what? What I'm thinking is if you do buy these, for another $9, just order these from Amazon. And when you get them, replace all of them, and then calibrate your throttles. Yeah, I already showed you the video on how to calibrate your throttles. Like I said, just remember to always retract the screw. This screw, retract it that way so that you can close it all the way, and then tighten them. Tighten the throttles. Okay, yeah. I'm still debating on what I'm gonna do with these carburetors, though. This is a running carburetor. It was running okay, except occasionally it would pop, but that was due to the looseness of the inner diameter of these bearings. I'm not really sure if I want to run it on my 2234, because the 34 Pick 3 Bocar carburetor with no Venturi, which is the bone stock carburetor, with the modified end cast. Yeah, you have to modify the end cast if you want to run them on a big engine. These are modified. These are not, your standard end cast. I did a slingshot porting on those. It's kind of complicated. Anyways, that engine is probably making between 120 to 130, somewhere in there. If I was to go with the other carburetor, the 34 millimeter Solex style Bocar Pick 3 carburetor, 37 millimeters, and then I make an intake manifold that's slightly bigger also. You know what? I'm thinking that thing can make 140, hit about 140, maybe 150. Nah, it's probably too much. But I probably would need a bigger cam. And, bigger cam, single carburetor, you're asking for a lot of idle RPMs, and I don't think I want it to be to be above 1,200, and it's gonna go above that. So bad idea. Never mind, forget it. I might actually use these on that engine. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's the idea. Bearings, replace, Amazon, easy. Link down there. Okay, that was the tip for the day. Adios, muchachos.